First quarter. Prince Abua. From New Jersey, number 11, Old Taman. His first personal foul, first team foul. Draymond Thompson, three. Basket, jersey number 28.
And we're back now to our ball game with the start of our 5th game ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office and in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. This game is between the Team RMT Plus up against the Team DDAP. So Team DDAP here has the possession here. Spins against Braybon Thompson. That's blocked. So RMT will get the possession back here. So here comes this Makla. Almost a steal here by Didat. And completes a steal, but there's a foul. And that means the jersey number 14. Si Tambuang. So shout out dito sa atong Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. Please like and share po mga kaibigan. So this will be an important game for both teams as they would like to solidify their spot sa ating bracket. Itong RMT, they are 2-0. They're aiming for 3-0 in here. Braybon Thompson, diretso extra pass to Tambuang for 2. So timeout has been called here for Team DDAP and we'll talk things around and magbabalik tayo after short break. And we're back now to our ball game with 7 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter with Team DDAP leading here, down here by 7 points, 9-2. Pass here for 2 and that's good. So Samal from Wanday, great pass, and score ito. Braybon Thompson guarded by Wanday here. Yung screen ni Asa hindi ginamit. Raymond Thompson and force a turnover. Here si Wanday. Great defense. Great pass here. It's a deep play. Wanday to Samal for the 2. Samal wide open for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. And ito sa try to Eddie Abraham. So nagka-stangle siya doon ni Makla. So balik ang bola sa team the RMT. Distancia has the ball. The main guard here for team RMT. Pasa dito kay Distancia. Kami kung Tambuang. Distancia. Gaskin ni Asa. Hindi ginagawa. Tambuang for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Kuha dito ni Makla. Makla pass to Tambuang. Tambuang extra pass to Braybon Thompson against Monday. Great defense. Kick out. Makla. Pass to jumper by Asad. But that's a miss. Then rebound here by Abraham. Great defense by Team Didat. Forward pass. Ayob. Bigyan ng screen dito. Abraham but gets the steal here by Distancia. Braybon Thompson. Iniwan na kanya Monday. Forward pass dito kay Makla. Stop up 3. Nothing there. Hilmar Asa with the rebound. No good. Third serving for Makla for 2. So 11-4 is the score. Forward pass. No good. Loose ball. And ball stays with Team Didat. So 5 minutes and 11 seconds remains sa ating first quarter. Forward pass dito, jumper. No good. Rebound by Braybon Thompson. Loose ball. Still Braybon Thompson. Forward pass dito kay Distancia. Makla wide open for 3. That's short. And balik ang bola sa Team Didat. So, the substitution be made for Team Didat. Montanier is in. Montanier, one dribble jumper. No good. Rebound by Braybon Thompson. And that's a foul. Ginawin up there by Mr. Abraham. He needs to control his fouls here kasi napaka-importante niyang player. Especially the tall lineup dito ng Team RMT. Makla has the ball. Inside pass to Braybon Thompson. Power move. Turn around. Dilabas dito. 3-point shot. And that's good! And that's Tambuang. And the lead's now 10 points. 14-4. Montanier. Pasa dito. Abraham jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. Akan. Great defense by Asad. Montanier. Extra pass. Jump. Samal for 3. No good. Forward pass dito. Distancia to Tambuang. Tambuang gets controls the basketball. Balik dito kay Distancia. Inside pass to Asad for 2. And that's Gilmar Asad's signature. Yung kanyang strong hands. 3-pointer. And that's good for Mr. Akan. Ahmad. So 7-16, 9-point lead here. Braybon Thompson drives, kick out. Makla. Distancia. Drives, jumper, that's a miss. And rebound here by Samal. Forward pass. Jumper, that's a miss. And that's a foul. And that's on Gilmar Asad. So, shoutout dito kay Katoy Kiamko of Team Kalye 8. Yan, shoutout sa mga Katoy Kiamko. And also shoutout kay Derek Randy of Sabaw of Keep Randy Sabay of J Project Production. Yan, shoutout sa mga Derek Randy. So, bola pa rin dito ng Team Didat. Samal. Gary by Braymon Thompson, great spin. Samal! Great defense again by Braybon Thompson. Bothering the shots. Napakahirap na mag-score sa ilalim for kasi pag dyan si Braybon Thompson. Barhama for 3, no good. Montanier, pass dito kay Abraham, that's short. No easy shot here for Team Didat. Distancia drives, kick out. Orlanes, extra pass to Barhama for 2. So many offensive players dito para sa Team RMT. Daming pwedeng bantayan dito ng Team Didat. So that's really hard team to beat. Itong team ng RMT. Distancia pass to Braybon Thompson for 3. That's a miss. Strong rebound here by Akan. Ahmed for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Samal. Samal jumper. No good. And there's a foul. And I think that's on Orlanes.
First personal foul on Kate Orlanes. 14 seconds to shoot, 14.
So 14 seconds to shoot here. 3-point attempt by Mamukaw. No good. Braybon Thompson with the rebound. Pasa dito kay Barhama. Barhama kay Cassie. Cassie pa dito kay Braybon Thompson for another 3-point attempt. That's a miss. Montanier, kick out pass. Akan jumper. That's good. Slowly but surely itong Team Didat. Slowly coming back in this ball game. Barhama. Makayong. Kick out pass. Cassie for 3. That's good! It's Kali. 3-pointer. That's his first 3-pointer in this ball game. Montanier has the ball. Pasa dito. Montanier. Inside pass to Samal. Samal jumper. That's good! Sama, pass dito kay Braybon Thompson. Thompson for 2! Well, malaki na kalamahan dito ng RMT for 12 points, 22-11. Montanier will hold on for the last shot. Montanier. Montanier. Extra pass. Akan for 3. That's a miss. And that ends our first quarter with a score of 23-11. RMT up by 12 points. And we'll be right back after a short break for our second quarter. And we're back now to our ball game with the start of the second quarter ng ating final game ng ating Day 3 ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with Davao City Muslim Affairs. And a 3-pointer there by Team Didat, and the lead is cut down to 9 points. So Team Didat up against RMT. RMT wearing the dark jerseys, right, while Team Didat naman are wearing the white. Kali for 3, that's a miss. Wow, sky high rebound there for Akan. 9 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. So So RMT has the ball. Montanier. Extra pass. Jumper there. No good. Loose ball. And they retrieve here by Maputol. May dito kay Kali. Kali, yan yung screen ni Orlanes. 3-pointer. That's a miss for Maputol. So along with him is Kim Kusim, Barhama, tsaka si Orlanes. 3-pointer by Montanier for 3! The lead is cut down to 6 points, 23-17. Kali, Barhama for 3. And that's a miss. So 14 seconds to shoot here for RMT. It's a instant replay here brought to you by Basada Bawenyo, Disiplinado. Barhama, mas kay Orlanes. Pass ito kay Kali for 3. That's short. Maputol for 2. Isa rin to sa napakagaling na player. Ito si Maputol. Extra pass. Si Trazona. Drives. Mamukaw. Pass to Trazona for 2. Great pass there by Trazona. So expected nito. Katapat sila dito ni Maputol. 6-point lead for RMT. Maputol drives. Maputol! No good! Offensive rebound here by Mamukaw. Pass dito kay Trazona. Ito ang energy guy dito ng Team Didat. Trazona. Almost the ball. Extra pass. Loses. Montanier. Hindi binigay dito kay Barhama for 2. Trazona. Inside pass to Akan for 2. Great job there by Akan. Isa pass here. Kusin. Pass ito kay Orlanes. No good. And get another high in the sky rebound again by Akan. But there's a foul. And that's on Kim Kusin. So Orlanes will be sub out here along with Kali. Babalik si Distancia along with itong si Enoch. So Orlanes has the ball. Orlanes. Inside pass. Wanday. Kick out here and still may Maputol. That's a bad pass on Wanday. Maputol against Montanier for 2. So the lead is back to 8 points. So a chance here for 3-point play for Faisal Maputol. Faisal Maputol is, I think, is our best player nung last time. So 30-21 is the score. 9-point lead here for RMT. Trazona has the ball. And a quick inside pass again sana for Akan.
13 seconds to shoot.
13 seconds to shoot here. Labas dito kay Mamukaw. Trazona. Guarded by Barhama. Trazona spins. Balik kay Wanday. Ito, wide open. Mamukaw for 3! The lead is cut down to 6 points. 24-30. Wanday. Extra pass. Barhama jumper. That's good! Trazona has the ball. Trazona. Crossover against Distancia. Trazona drives. Intended pass to Akan. Kick out. Montanier. Wanday. Inside pass to Akan. Pass out to Mamukaw for back-to-back 3. Grabe. Wala, great play by Team Didat. So 5-point lead na inahamon nila dito. Naputol. Distansya. Thinking 3. One dribble drive. Barhama. No good. Wanday with the rebound. Forward pass ito kay Mamukaw. Pass back-to-back 3-pointers. Montanier. Kick out. His third 3-pointer. Back-to-back-to-back. No good. Loose ball. Inok with the rebound. Ganito kay Distansya. Distansya. Forward pass ito kay Maputol. Maputol against Wanday. Maputol jumper. That's a miss. Wanday with the rebound. Wanday. Eh nako, munti kang pang mabad pass yun. And timeout being called here for RMT. And it's the instant replay here for the back-to-back threes by Mamukaw. So babalik tayo after a short break. So we're back to our ball game with 4 minutes and 38 seconds the first half. Wanday inside for Team Didat. But there's a foul. So shoutout dito sa mga tao sa itong Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. Please like and share po mga kaibigan. Distansya has the ball here. Getting Makla. Kick out. Distansya wide open for 3. That's a miss. Long rebound. And kuha dito ni Mamukaw. And a steal by Maputol. Ito ni Makla. Balik yung Distansya. Inside pass. Inok. Kick out. Maputol thinking 3. One dribble jumper. That's a miss. Wanday with the rebound. Great defense here by Team Didat. They're down by 3 points. Montanier for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Kuha dito ni Trazona. There's a foul. So Gilmar Asad is called for a foul. So Ryan Trazona will shoot 2 free throws. And that's a miss. And great shot there by free throw second for Arazona. So 2-point lead ang inabol nila dito sa RMT. Makla. Kick out pass ito kay Maputol. Makla for 3. Finally, ang 3-pointer for Makla. That's his first 3-pointer in this ball game. 35-30 is the score. 5-point lead. Trazona challenge the defense of Ino. Maputol has the ball. Ganito kay Distansya. Kick out. Makla for another 3. That's good! Back-to-back threes for Makla. 6-point lead for Team RMT. Trazona for 3. No good. And Makla with the rebound. And ito, napunta pa kay Maputol. Maputol, direction. That's a foul. And that's on Montanier.
throws for Faisal Maputol.
So first free throw is good for Maputol. So 8-point lead here for Team RMT. Trazona shoots for 3 and that's good! So that is cut down to 5. Trazona hindi talaga sumusuko. Distansya. Dito kay Makla. Another 3-point attempt. No good. Was sky high. Rebound by Maputol but there's a foul. Grabe, taas tumalo nito ni Maputol.
Foul situation number 11, Paul Khan. He's second personal foul. 2 free throws for Faisal Maputol.
So Faisal Maputol shoot 2 free throws. And that's a miss. So with the rebound here, Ayob has the ball. Fake. And there's a foul. So they're pleading for a travel, but no foul, no travel is being called. So Abraham will shoot 2 free throws.
He's second personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws for Abu Abraham.
First free throw is no good. And 2 misses for Abraham. Distansya, inside pass. Enoch, reverse block by Samal. And ball stays here, Team Didat. Team RMT. Shot clock 9 seconds. Makla will inbound the ball. Pasa dito. Kay Distansya. Distansya. Oh, what a move! But overshoots. Honday gets the rebound. Pasa dito kay Ayob. Jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. It's Trazona. And that's a foul. So that means 2 free throws here for Mr. Trazona.
Foul situation number 34, Franklin Enoch. Eastern personal foul. 2 free throws for Ryan Trazona.
And the first free throw is no good still for Trazona. He's been struggling from the free throw line. And first free throw is good for Trazona. And ball stays with our Team Didat. Great job there, forcing that turnover.
Substitution for RMT. 14 seconds shot clock, 14.
Trazona nakawala almost. Maputol with the Makla with the rebound. There's a foul. And I think that's on Abraham again.
Holding foul, jersey number 10, Abu Abraham, he's second personal foul. Fourth, Tina.
Distansya. Pass kay Makla. Inside pass to Kim Kusin. Kusin power move. That's a foul. And that's on Abraham, and I think that might be his fourth.
On the jersey number 10, I'm calling out his third personal
Oh, third personal foul.
Two free throws
Mahirap na
for Kim
mag-warning
Kusin.
si Kusin. The first free throw is good. That's a miss. Samal with the rebound. It's 5-point lead only for RMT. Ayo bust the ball. Dito kay Trazona. Trazona. Great pass. Kick out. Ayob. Kick out pass. Samal almost loses the ball. Samal drives. Samal! No good! Samal tips it in. Nothing there. Trazona gets the rebound. Back by Makayong. One die. Great pass to Trazona. And that's a miss. Ito, forward pass dito kay Maputol. Against Ayob! Forzo! One die. Kick out pass. Ayob for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Makaayong. Pass dito kay Distancia. And that ends our first half with a score of 43-36. 7-point lead here by RMT over the Team Didat. So magbabalik tayo after a short break para sa ating second half. Stay tuned.
As we start our third quarter, for position RMT. Third quarter.
So we're back now to our ball game. We start off our second half ng ating fifth game ng ating Day 3 ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office of the City Government of Davao City and in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this game is in Team Didat up against the Team RMT with RMT leading here by 7 points, 43-36. Ito na si Akan is fouled here by Enoch. So that means 2 free throws here for Akan. Okay, shoutout dito sa atong Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. Shoutout dito sa atong mga commissioner sa atong liga, si Commissioner Pong Escobal, si Sir Mickey Dihita o si Sir Miggy Solitaria. And shoutout dito sa mga gagamhanan nato sa RMJ Sports, si Coach Rocky Mejos, Coach Wawa Lamano o si Mark Castaneda Magno. Yan, shoutout sa inyo ha. So Akan will shoot the free throw here and that's good. 6-point lead here for RMT. Kali has the ball along with Janjan Lumugda, Thompson, dito si Janjan Makayo and Kim Kusin. Great dribbling skill by Lumugda. Lumugda, hesitation. Lumogda! No good! Rebounded by Wanday. Forward pass dito and still here by Thompson. Kali. Dito kay Lumogda. Dito kay Yoyoy Makaayo for two! Forward pass, Akan for 3. That's a miss. So 8-point lead here for the RMT. Kali has the ball. Yan skin ito ni Kim Kusin. Kaya kay Yoyoy Makayong. Kim Kusin against Manday. Pass to Thompson. What a great pass to Janjan Lumugda! Inside pass, Wanday. Jumper. That's good! Kali. Ito kay Thompson. Balik ito kay Janjan Lumugda. And that's an offensive foul on... It's Josh Thompson. It's called for a foul. This is a great pass there by Thompson to Janjan Lumugda. Ito, Wanday. Second serving. No fouls called. Makayong. Pass ito kay Janjan Lumugda. Lumugda for two! No foul was called there. So a 10-point lead now for RMT. Akan. Ganito kay Samal. Kick out pass. Ayob for 3. That's good! So that's his first 3-pointer in this ball game. 7-point lead here for Team RMT. Lumugda. Bigyan screen dito. Lumugda for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Kim Kusin gets the ball. Kick out. Kali. And that's a travel. So Samal will be sub out here by itong si Abraham. Was doing a lot of good things here for itong si Mr. Abraham. Ayob. Pass ito kay Montanier. Wanday. Great job there by Makayong getting the ball. A steal here. Makayong. Kick out pass. Kali. Jumper. That's short. So Wanday will be sub out here by Samal. So Barhama will be back in. Montanier shoots for 3. That's a miss. And out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa RMT. Lumugda. Guarded by Akan. Oh, nadula si Lumugda. And that's a steal. Akan. Ganito kay Akan. Akan for 2. The lead's cut na to 5. 49-44. Kim Kusin. Kusin humingi ng foul. Barhama for 3. And sumabit yung kamay doon. And that's a 3-point play for Barhama. So that's gonna be 3 free throws here for John Barhama. And that's the instantly play here by Akan with driving the lane. So first free throw is good for Barhama. So 2 for 2. And 3 for 3 for Barhama. So, balik ang lamang. So, 8 points, 52-44. Ayob, guarded close here by Janjan Makaayong. And that's a foul on Makaayong.
And they foul, jersey number 0, Joey Macayong, substitution. His first personal foul, third team foul for RMP.
So, Orlanes will be sabing into si Makaayong. Si Asad for Thompson. Ayob, thinking three, bigay kay Akan. Akan drives. Akan reverse layup again for 2. Grabe, nakapahirap naman doon na si tira ni Samir Akan. So, 6-point lead, 52-46. Lumugda. Inside pass to Kim Kusin for 2. And a steal by Janjan Lumugda. 3 against 1. Lumugda, pass to Orlanes. Oh, he misses! 4 pass dito. Abraham, pass to Aka. And that's a foul on Kim Kusin. So that means 2 free throws here.
Two free throws for Samir Aka.
So Aka will shoot 2 free throws here. First free throw is good.
For Kim Kusin, his third personal foul.
So substitution will be made here. So malik dito si Montanier for Ayob. So RMT leading here by 6 points, 54-48. Lumugda. Pass dito kay Barhama. Against Montanier. Great separation. And that's good for Barhama. Montanier. For 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Kim Kusin with the rebound. Ito ay Janjan Lumugda. Orlanes for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Montanier has the ball. Behind the back. Pass to Abraham. Pass to Montanier. Naku, galing sa out of bounds. Nanda sana. Isa triple here. As Barhama creating separation by himself and knocking out that jump shot. That's a killer move for Barhama. Kim Kusin, extra pass to Barhama. Kick out, Orlanes for 3. That's a miss. And Montanier gets the ball. For pass dito kay Abraham. Balik kay Montanier. Montanier for 2. So 6-point lead pa rin for RMT. Lumugda. Forward pass. Barhama for 3. Overshoots. Rebound here by Ahmad. Ito kay Abraham. Abraham against Bumugda. No goal. And that's a foul there this time. Team is really pleading for a foul here. So Abraham will shoot 2 free throws here. So 2 free throws here for Abraham. The penalty situation ng RMT. First free throw is good. So 5 points na lang. 2 for 2 for Abraham. So, the lead is cut down to 4, 56-52. With 2 minutes and 53 seconds remain sa ating third quarter. Lumugda. Ganito kay Asad. Thinking 3. Bigay kay Barhama. Bigay kay Kim Kusin. Against Abraham. Kusin. Power move. No good. Great tap there. To Montanier. Pasa dito kay Ahmad. Balik kay Montanier. Balik kay Ahmad. Wide open for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Who gets the ball? So, it's Team D, that's basketball.
14 seconds on the shot clock for game.
So, 14-second shot clock here. Montanier will inbound the ball. Pasa dito kay Akan. Dito kay Samal. Balik kay Ahmad. Ito, pass kay Montanier. Thinking 3. Great hesitation. Extra pass. Abraham. Oh, deep sido. But diretso sa kamay ni Janjan Lumugda. Ito, Lumugda. Pushing up the pace here. Lumugda. Pass to Asad jumper. That's short. And ito na si Barhamak. For 2. 6-point lead. Montanier. Kick out pass. Ahmad for 3. That's no good. Loose ball. Janjan Lumugda with the rebound. So forward pass ito kay Jan Barhama. Balik kay Lumugda. Tambuang. Lumugda. Nawala ang bola. Forward pass dito kay Akan. Akan dire-diretso for 2. And timeout is being called here for RMT. The lead's cut down to 4. We'll be right back after a short break. We're back to our ball game and Team RMT is down by lead. It's not down to 4 points against Team Didat and a turnover caused here by Team RMT. So balik ang bola sa Team Didat. Ito, dire-diretso agad. Mamuka for 3. That's a miss. And rebound here by Samal. Inside pass. And muntika na. So warning is being called here for Team RMT. Oh, it's Janjan Lumugda is called for a warning.
15 seconds on the shot clock.
Samal has the ball. Nga dito kay Montanier. Pass kay Mamuka for 3. And still a miss. Loose ball. Kuha dito ni Tambuang. Tambuang. Forward pass dito kay Barhana. Barhana for 2. Di talaga mabreak ang 4-point barrier dito ng RMT. So 6-point lead here. 60-54. Montanier. Okay, Ahmad. Balik kay Montanier. Inside pass. Abraham. Jumper. That's a miss. And there's a foul. That's on Samal. Fourth personal foul ito si Samal. Samal will be staying in. Distancia has the ball. Bibigyan na sa nito ni Janjan Lumugda. Distancia. Pass ito kay Makla for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Kim Cousin has the ball. Kim Cousin for 2! Mamukaw! And that ends our third quarter with a score of 62-54. 8-point lead by RMT over Team Didac. So babalik tayo after a short break para sa ating fourth and final quarter. And we're back at our ball game. We start with our fourth and final quarter and final game ng ating third day ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office of Davao City and partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this game is between Team RMT against Team Didac, with RMT leading here by 8 points, 62-54. Janjan Lumugda lumitaw sa area for 2! 10-point lead here, 64-54. Tarazona is blocked. Akan with the rebound. It pass to Tarazona. And stepping on the line, itong si Akan. And a technical foul is called on Akan.
Technical foul on jersey number 23. Salkir Akan for his sportsmanlike behavior. Technical penalty for Abdul Makla.
So, Abdul Makla will shoot the technical free throw plus ball possession pa dito. Itong RMT. And free throw is made there by Makla. So, 11 point lead already here by RMT. Grabe, bilis lang ng pagitan. Kanina, 2 points na lang ito. 4 points rather. Distansya sa ball. Ito kay Janjan Lumugda. Lumugda, jumper. That's a miss. Rebound by Tarazona. Tarazona, no foul. Kick out, Ahmad. Balik kay Tarazona. Tarazona for 2! Distansya. Makla for 3. That's a miss. Rebound by Janjan Lumugda. And wow! Grabe, what a fake by Janjan Lumugda. Is the instant replay here. Rebound. Yun, dalawa kagad sumakay. And ito, upper body stand ito Janjan Lumugda. His athleticism. Able to make that basket. Ang hirap na tira. 67-56. And the free throws is good for Janjan Lumugda. So 12-point lead here for RMT. And that 3-pointer by Ryan Tarazona. Grabe, this guy is hindi papayag yan na matatalo ng basta-basta. You can expect him to take over in this ball game for Team Didac. Makla, inside pass, maputol, floater, no good. Loose ball, Tarazona gets the ball. Tarazona, dire-diretso. Tarazona gets his own ball and he scores! 7-point lead. 1-3-1 defense apply here. Inside pass. Balik kay Braybon Thompson for 2. Trazona, guarded here by Maputol. Bigyan ng screen. Great pass. Mamuka for 3. That's a miss. Great tap by Makla. Going to distansya. Makla. Maputol. Inside pass to Janjan Lumugda. And there's a foul.
Holding down the jersey number 14, Ryan Trazona. His first personal foul.
That's first personal foul on Ryan Trazona.
Foul Garcia.
Get instant replay here. A great pass to Braymond Thompson for the easy 2.
14 seconds shot clock. 14.
So 14 seconds shot clock. 70-61 is the score here. Inside pass, Braymond Thompson, that's a miss, but Makla is there to clean it up. And a steal! Forward pass. Nako, distansya, nako. No foul was called. So 6 minutes and 17 seconds remain sa ating ball game. 11-point lead here by RMT. Trazona shoots for 3. And he scores! Tao is being called here by the coach of Team Didat. So ito, distansya. Mukhang tinamaan doon sa mukha ni Ayob. So 8-point lead ang hinabol dito ng Team Didat.
His first personal foul, 14 foul for Dia.
Distansya against Ayob. Loose ball and another foul is called here on Ayob.
Lucky foul, jersey number 18.
And I think they're already in the penalty. That means 2 free throws here for Distansya.
2 free throws for Distansya.
And that's a miss for Distansya. And the second free throw is good. So 9-point lead here for RMT. Trazona has the ball against Maputol. Ang screen dito ni Abraham. Trazona shoots for 3 with a foul. So that means 3 free throws here for Ryan Trazona. So Braymond Thompson, sumabit yung kamay doon ni Braymond Thompson. That's clear foul. And first free throw is good. Grabe yan, orthodox talaga yung tira ni Trazona. 1 foot forward. But it's effective for him. 3 free throws here. So another 3-point. Another 3-point. It's not naman for Trazona if he makes this. And that's a miss. Gets his own miss. Trazona banks it in! It's a 4-point swing here for Team Didat. The lead is cut down to 5. What a player that was Trazona. Janjan Lumugda against Samal. There's a mismatch here. Makla on Montanier. Maputol against Trazona. Maputol, power move! And he scores! 7-point lead. Trazona, dire-diretso! That's a miss. And Lumogda is fouled for a foul. Trazona fouls Lumogda rather. It's a deep play here. Maputol, pinagpaglang depensa ni Trazona. Grabe, what a strong upper body strength talaga itong si Maputol. So that means 2 free throws here for Janjan Lumogda. And Janjan Lumogda makes 2 free throws. So balik sa siyam ang lamang dito ng RMT. Montañez, bigay kay Trazona against Barhama. Trazona drives. Trazona inside pass to Ayo, but that's a miss. Loose ball. Who gets the ball? Save in. Naku, nadulas pa si Raymond Thompson. Kick out pass ito Montañez. Wide open si Samar for 3. That's a miss. And great rebound here by Distancia. Tumba doon si Trazona. Balik kay Distancia. And ako, great swipe there by Ayob. Montañez. Pass ito kay Trazona. Trazona drives. Trazona! There's a foul. And that's on Distancia. And technical has been called here on team for RMT. So that means 2 free throws here for Trazona and a technical free throw plus ball possession. First free throw is good. So 2 free throws here for Trazona. And first free throw for the personal foul is good. So 7 points lang inaabol. A chance here to trim it down to 2 possession. And he missed. Maputol has the ball. Kasi dito kay Barhama. Dito kay Janjan Lumogda. Dito kay Maputol against Abraham. Maputol. Distancia loses the ball. Flips it up. Pucho! Balik sa 9 points na lamang dito. 79-70. Akan. Balik kay Abraham. And that's the turnover. Ball stays with RMT.
9 seconds shot clock. 9.
Tambuang is back in. Samal, bigyan ng kick kay Trazona. Great pass. Samal, fakes. Kick out. Ayob for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Who gets the ball? Eh, that's Trazona. Called for a foul. And that's on Janjan Lumogda. That means 2 free throws here for Janjan Lumogda.
Holding boundaries for deep by Trazona. His third personal foul. 2 free throws for Janjan Lumogda.
First free throw is good. Janjan Lumugda scores another free throw here. So 11-point lead now for RMT. And there's a foul. And I think that's on Tabuang. So they're not yet in the penalty. So 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for Team Didat to make something happen here. They need to make a run. Trazona. Drives. Trazona for 2! Lumugda against Trazona. Great deep off defense. And ayun, a foul is called on Trazona. That means 2 free throws again for Janjan Lumugda.
That's his fourth personal foul. Two free throws for Janjan Lumugda.
And that's a miss for Janjan Lumugda. Ayub. Gaskin Abraham. Ayub. Diretso pass kay Abraham. Jumper. That's a miss. Ayub with the rebound. Fourth pass to kay Samal for 3. And that's overshoots. And fourth pass dito kay Maputol against Aka. And there's a foul. So Maputol will shoot 2 free throws. Grabe talaga competitiveness nitong Team Didat. Grabe, oh, kudos for Team Didat for still fighting all their losses, including now if they continue this scoreline, are really close games and are all hard-fought games. So it's like an anybody's ball game all the time for Team Didat. So Maputol makes the basket here, makes the free throw. So, ayaw sabaw di by Montanier. So, 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Montanier, pass ito kay Abraham. Montanier, di makatira. Trazona, drives. Trazona, kick out. Akad, mag for 3. That's a miss. Long rebound. Nakuha ni Trazona. Trazona spins. Great pass. Loses the ball, and ito na si Maputol, diretso against Montanier. Great defense, extra pass, stolen here by Abraham. Montanier, diretso. Samal, block. Jumper by Abraham, no good. Loose ball, and nakuha ni Braybon Thompson. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass ito kay Maputo for 2! And I think that might be the nail in the coffin of this ball game. All the hard work of Didat. There's always an answer by RMT. So 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Janjan Lumugda has the ball. 57 seconds. Three seconds. Long hit by Raymond Thompson. That's a miss. So Ryan Trazona who has the ball here. Try to play it hard, but stolen there by Braybon Thompson. Maputol will try to milk the clock here. And great job here for RMT. So shot clock is being turned off now here. Montanier for 3, and that's a miss. So Janjan Lumugda with the rebound. And that ends our ball game, mga kaibigan, with the official score of 85-74. Team RMT still unbeaten after 3 games. They're gonna be 3-0, and Team Didat naman falls at 0-3. all the games by RMT and Team Didat are all hard-fought games. So, kudos for Team Didat for playing so hard, but they just kinakapos na talaga sila sa dulo. And again, by the way, salamat sa taas sa Facebook page sa Badeo Sports Davao. Please and like and share po. Meron po tayo 5 games again for tomorrow until Friday. So until then, top 2 teams per each bracket po ay pupunta sa Saturday, and then championship na naman for Sunday. So in behalf of RMJ Sports, with Boss Joros Costan, Rodel Cañete, Gamay Amaneo, Philjan Costan, at saka yung aming spinner, ako din si Chris Iscaran. So see you tomorrow para ating next game para sa ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by City Mayor's Office and in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. So see you next game.